Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Dodo Makes. So before going into today's announcement video, I wish to thank every one of you for subscribing my channel Dodo Makes and for showing so much of love and support. Your support is what that gave me additional confidence to cook more and more food just for you all. So thanks and thanks for everything guys. So for today, I'm here to say that I have created the new channel. Yes guys, as you all have guessed so far, it is about the announcement of the new channel called Dodo Makes Tamil, exclusively for Tamil viewers, in which you can see every video of Dodo Makes with voiceover in Tamil. So I need every subscriber of me to show enough love and support that you are shown to this channel to that channel too. And additionally, hereafter every videos of Dodo Makes is also going to feature voiceovers, particularly in English, for every recipe I make, which includes tips, tricks and other stuffs. So the link for Dodo Makes Tamil is in the description of this video. If you haven't subscribed it, please go subscribe and kindly show your support. Love food, hate waste and love Dodo Makes too. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye.